Hello children, how are you all? Hope everyone is in good health. Children, you are getting bored in your house studying and studying, isn't it? So, I have come to tell you about a famous Indian person. The person that I am going to tell you is about Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Children, do you know who was Raja Ram Mohan Roy? I am going to tell you. Listen very carefully. Ram Mohan Roy was born in Radhanagar, Hooghly district of Bengal. He was born on 22nd May 1772. His father's name was Ramkanto Roy and his mother's name was Tarini Devi. He was a great scholar of Sanskrit, Persian and English languages and also knew Arabic, Latin, Greek, Hindi and Bengali. Ram Mohan Roy was given the title of Raja by Akbar to the Mughal emperor who had sent him to England to represent him. Raja Ram Mohan Roy translated Vedas and Upanishads into Bengali, Hindi and English. He started India's first English medium school in 1816 in Kolkata that later came to be known as the Anglo-Hindu School. In 1822, he published the journal Mirat-ul-Akbar in Persian and founded the newspaper Sambat Kaumudi and wrote many other journals. He founded the Brahmo Samaj in 1828. This move is often credited with playing an important role in reforming and modernizing the Indian society. At that time, an evil practice called Satidah was prevalent. If someone's husband died, then his wife was forced to sit on the fire of his funeral and was burnt alive. People used to make loud noises with drums so that no one can hear when the woman screamed. In 1811, when Raja Ram Mohan Roy's sister-in-law was burnt alive in the same way, Raja Ram Mohan Roy vowed to oppose Satidah. He led many protests and wrote petitions to the British asking to ban Satidah. Thanks to his efforts, the British banned it in 1829. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Atmiya Sabha, a group that discussed and debated the essence of religion. He is called the father of Indian Renaissance. Freedom fighter Gopal Krishna Gokhale called Roy the father of modern India. Raja Ram Mohan Roy also led campaigns against child marriage, the Parda system, dowry and polygamy. Ram Mohan Roy died of meningitis in Bristol on September 27, 1833. He is buried at Arnos Vale Cemetery where a mausoleum stands to this day. Recently, the British government has named a street in Bristol as Raja Ram Mohan Way in the memory of Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So children, from this video, we came to know about a great Indian person who had modern thinking and who did a lot for women. We should always be thankful to him. Thank you children for watching the video.